In this video, I'm going to talk about like how you can use your Canon camera as like your webcam and what you basically need to start this. I will explain you all the things in this video. I will show you step by step what you have to do. If you're really interested, then please click on the like button and also subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon. Then when I will upload a new video, then you will get an update. So now what basically we need to start? First, you need a computer, a laptop or a MacBook that you have, still, and you need a camera like a Canon camera. Basically now I'm using Canon camera. If you have Nikon, then you can watch another video, or you can you can try the same thing. I think it will work. And you need other two things, like one is like video capture card. I don't know you can watch it or not, but I will give you the link, the product link in my video description. If you check it out, then you will get it. Basically I was buy this almost $15, I think it's a take something, and they was give me an additional HDMI cable, but it's not really useful. It's not work in my case, so I have to buy an extra cable, HDMI cable. And really it's if you see them in here, it's for camera like mini HDMI, another is like big HDMI. So I buy this from Ugreen like this, and their cable is really awesome, because when I just going to compare with the cable that they was provided, like video capture card, they are providing the HDMI cable and the Ugreen cable. When I compare with this, then I see, yeah, it's gonna win because it's really good. If you see the cable quality, everything's very good. And I buy here like 1.5 meter, and inside the packet they was give me two papers. What is for, it's like one kind of promotional, I think, but they are offering like this, a new product. And here is the thank you paper, and with some contact us information, like if you have a problem, then you can contact with them. And also they tell us something, I was read something, they're telling like we don't have to say like we don't have to give any kind of bad review. If you get any problem, then please contact with them. They will be help you and they will try to replace you like this. So it's really a good things. Right, so now let me tell you like what to do. First, since it's a mini HDMI and main HDMI, so what I have to do, just put it down here like this, just inject it like this, that's it. And we have to put this cable in our camera, and have to put this in our computer or laptop or whatever. Now I'm showing you in Mac Mini, and one thing you need, it's like an OBS software. I know people are already use this OBS, so you can use this in everywhere. Like if you have Camtasia or any other Zoom meeting, Google meeting, everywhere you can use this, no problem. I'll show you that it's gonna work or not. Alright, so now let me show you like how you can connect it, this thing. So it's very simple, not really hard something. First of all, you have to connect your like this HDMI cable. You have to put it down in a hub, or if you want, then you can put it. And the same thing on your Mac Mini. Okay, you have to put this, and now I already successfully put it down. And now we have to put the HDMI cable on that. And okay, so first time when I just buy this, it's not working, so I always use blade and I just cut a little bit, and now it's really easily I can push. Alright, so now it's push, but you will get some problem. Let me open in here. Okay, so it's called OBS software. Okay, let me turn off the camera. Okay, so now as you can see, we can see here, and let me increase the size, and now you can see something like, so we have to put here the display capture in here. So I already put it down here, everything. So let me delete that, I can tell you better. So now in here the plus icon, you have to, okay, let me remove the webcam also. Okay, yes, now click on here the plus icon and go to here the option called audio display capture. No, we don't need full display. Okay, so video capture audio, I just click on here. Then you have to put it down something and put a title, so I'm not going to change it out anything. Then you have to select the device, which one you just want to use. So in my case, I want to use USB, so I USB and I just click OK. but in really I don't see anything because my camera is not open, man. My camera is not open. Alright, so let's check it out. It's gonna work now, but we get some option on that, right? It's gonna really annoying, right? It's gonna really annoying. But you can remove it as well. Everything you have to put here the info option. Just click on here the info, then we get lots of, but really we don't really lots of. Okay, so now when I click again info, it's gone. But we have another problem. The problem is we cannot record it now, because when you just click on this plus icon, that means it's kind of recording, we can say it. So we don't really use like this. We just wanna make it webcam, so we have to change the setting as well. So to change the setting, we have to click on here the menu, and now as you can see, we can see it like something like this, and you have to click on OK and go to here HDMI, like the 4 option, shooting time info. You can see HDMI info display, it's now on. Just click on that, and then you will see some option like clean output, 4K output or full HD, how you want. Since it's not like a good capture card like the read something, it's normal. That means we can do work, so we have to use full HD. I think in my case I use full HD, so I recommend you that like use full HD. It's gonna be very good and it will get a good quality, because sometimes I see that like if you see my my face, what I'm talking, it's called lip sync, something like that. So it's the lip sync, it's not gonna work sometimes, so that's why I choose full HD. Okay, so now let's go back to the menu bar. Oh, okay. I don't know how to go back because of like, okay, now I think it's gonna go back. Let's click on again the info, and I get something like okay. Alright, so now it's gonna really clean, and we are getting the clean something, right? And I hope guys now you understand it. And let's go back our why we can do. Let's go to another. Okay, so now in here it's not a screen recording, so we have to put it down in a screen recording. So window capture, obviously we want a window capture. Okay, but in really it's not like this window capture. We have to put a display capture. Alright, so now it's gonna okay, display capture, and we don't need really this, remove it. Alright, so let's minimize it, and let's go to Google Chrome, and let's go to Google Meet. Google Meet. Okay, let's put it down, Google Meet. Google. Here is the Google Meet. You can use Zoom, whatever you have. And let's go to new meeting, copy link, copy, and just paste here. And in here we can see some option. They're telling us, okay, so we have to allow it. Okay, allow. Okay, let's join the meeting. And boom guys, now you can see that it's gonna work, that it was expected. And if I show you my face, and really it's not string because I'm using zoom lens, so that's why, but it's working as well, that is, as you can see. But some issue that I face, so I think now you can see it. Whatever I'm just talking, I don't know it's showing instantly or not, but in my case I think it's taking a little bit time because of the video capture card. But it's really it's gonna work. That means it's worked perfectly. Alright, so now let me tell you like how you can use this and Windows. So it's the same thing, it's not something like extra. The same thing, I have to put it down in here, and outside is raining, nothing is there, so I just put it down. So in my camera, what I have to do, the same thing, I have to put it down. Oh my god, you can see it or not? Okay, let me open. Okay, and just put it down. Is it the right side? Oh yeah, it's the right side. Alright, so now I put it, and let's keep it here, and let's go back. Let's copy the Google Meet link, and paste here. Alright, so now as you can see, we can see something like because of we turn on. Really, we turn on this? Yeah, now we turn on. But yes, now you can see. If you really think like this video helped you a lot, it's just save your time, then please check my video description. I already provide you like a buy me a coffee link. So if you wanna support me, just click on the link and just support me wherever you like. And if you don't wanna pay anything, then you can do just click on the subscribe button and just click on a bell icon. You don't have to pay anything, man, anything. Okay, thank you.